In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect XTB to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to their official website, you want to click on the search button up top, and then in here, you want to type MT4, and then press search, and then there we go. You want to click on account and help here, and it's going to say how to log into MT4. Just click on this little article over here, and it's going to tell you a bunch of different things. So as you can see here, that MT4 platform was removed from the XTB offer in XTB UK Limited, okay? So in case you are a user of that, unfortunately, you won't be able to connect to MT4. However, it's still open for the XTB International Limited, as you can see over here. So in case you have that account, you'll be able to do it, and then you'll be sent basically your credentials inside the email and create your password upon your registration, okay? So you must have a real account to be able to do this, and when you have a real account, you can go ahead and click on this link over here, which will basically allow you to get your installer for MT4. Click on it, and then it will basically open up this installation panel over here on your computer, where you want to click on next, and then you want to wait for a few seconds for this to finish. And when that's done, it's going to say finish down here at the bottom left or bottom right, and then you'll be able to click on that, and your program, your MT4, is going to open up. So within just a few seconds, there we go. I'm going to click on finish, and now it should open up on my computer. This will take a few seconds to actually run up, and for you it's going to take some seconds as well. There we go. And now, as you can see, this is the XTB MetaTrader 4 terminal. It's going to start scanning, and when that's done, you can just close that down, and it's going to say XTB MetaTrader 4 terminal. In here is where you can actually go ahead and type in your login credentials, so the ones sent to you via your email upon the creation of your real account, and then you'll be able to go ahead and select on which server you are. You will have that info in your email as well as in your account. Just type in your login, your password, and then your server as well. And when you're done, press login, and you can save the account info or not. That's up to you, and then you'll get access to XTB MT4 over here with your account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.